kindergartners. Today I'm going to show you a little math activity that you can do at home, and it's really easy. It's kind of fun. First thing you're going to do is you're going to get a piece of paper, and you're going to take a marker or something and divide up your paper. And so there's 3 parts to it. So I'm going to put a line going here and a line going here. So you're going to have 3 different parts. This game is called Say It, Make It, Write It. And this is an adding game, which we really haven't done a lot of adding yet, but this is going to kind of give you some ideas of how to start adding using some toys you have at home, or even something like noodles that you have, something very simple, anything you got laying around, and I'll show you some examples from what I did. So each one is going to be, each area is going to be something different. So the first area is going to be the say it part. And this is mine. I made mine a little bit more fancier, but it looks like this. And I'm going to show you some videos right after this, and you're going to see an example of how to do this. I made a cute little, it's called stop animation video of how to do it. So you can watch those videos to get an idea of how you can do it. But first of all, you're gonna have a part where it says say it. Now this is a part where maybe a grown-up can help you, or you can just do it by yourself. I wrote some addition problems by myself, but this might be helpful for a grown-up to help you. And you're gonna put 2 numbers that you're gonna add together. This one I put 5 plus 1 equals. Now these are the symbols. Plus means you add those 2 numbers together. You put, you combine them to make a bigger number. So you have 5 plus 1 equals. Now you're going to use, a lot of people can do this in their head because we've already did adding 1 more onto a number, but this is just one example you can use. And in the videos you'll see next, you'll see that I had some different examples that you can use. And your parents can help you get those written down, or you can write them yourself, and you can even challenge yourself and give yourself really big numbers too. So I have 5 plus 1 equals. Now this is the part where I say it. So all together, 5 plus 1 equals. So we said it. That's the first part, say it. The next part is where you are going to make it. Now I like to divide this part by putting a plus sign right in the middle. That's the plus symbol. That means you're gonna add those 2 numbers together. And then you're gonna, so the first one is going to be 5. So we're gonna put 5 things right here. Now I got some little hearts together that I found in my craft stuff, and I thought it'd be a good idea to use, and you can use whatever you wanna use. So I'm gonna put the hearts on. Now how many hearts do we need? I look right here, 5 is the first number, so 5. 1. Now I'm using tape on mine. When I did mine and when you do yours, you can just leave it flat and you don't need to tape them down. You can just use whatever toys or things you have at home. So 2, 3, 4, where are they all gonna fit? And 5. So we have 5 in the first box because it's 5 is the first number. 5 plus 1, so we're gonna add a 1 next. Bring 1 more heart. I like to do a different color, but you'll see in the videos I use some different things. 5 plus 1. Now I'm going to count them all together. Now there's a few different ways you can do this, but when you're counting or you're adding with objects like this, you can just count them out like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that 5 plus 1 equals 6. That's when you're going to come down here on the bottom part, and then you are going to write it. Now, you could write the whole thing, that would be good practice, or you can just write the number that it equals all together. So all together, we added it up to make 6. So you could do it like that, or you could write it in 5 plus 1 equals 6. So you say it, make it, write it. Say it, make it, write it. So I would like you to try this at home yourself. Use some different objects that you found around the house. Use some maybe bigger numbers to challenge yourself, or you can use some smaller numbers to get you started. Your parents can help you, or a nanny or babysitter or grandma or grandpa. Whoever's around can help you get started on writing some numbers, or you can do them yourself. So give it a try. Watch the videos that you're gonna see right after this. And I had a little bit of fun making it, and you can see some more examples of say it, make it, write it. All right, see you later. Have fun doing math, kindergartners. So here you are adding 2 plus 4. That's the say it part. I use some little puppies. So there's 2 puppies on one side, and then there's 4 animals that come to the other side. And then finally, you write how many all together.